Hey, get off there!
Are you recording?
Alright, yes, I am now. So it looks like most of the peoples that did voted the boiled one. So that's what we're about to go play. Let's go.
You have a Discord?
No, I don't have Discord.
You should get one.
Nope. Shut up! Shut up!
Dang. We just got a new doggy, and his name is the worst name I ever heard.
Alright, come on, we're going on your bed, Dally.
No.
I like it up there.
So you're staying up?
That's funny. I don't care about your broom. What is that?
As soon as your mom gets home, just remember you're getting your whack.
What do you mean, my mom? It's your mom too. We're siblings, idiot.
No, we're not.
No, we are. You're my sister.
No, I'm not. I'm way older than you, like by 20 years.
You are 10 years old.
And you're like 7.
I'm 14.
You're 7.
I am 14, idiot.
Bro.
Stupid monkey.
Who do you believe that's older?
You need to quit doing this whenever I'm recording. Anyways. We better play the boiled one, monkeys!
Hey, keep your voice down.
I don't have to listen to shit you say. I'm 4 years older than you.
What?
I am 4 years older than you. I do not care. Oh, what is that thing?
I am 4 years older, over 20 years older than you.
You sure don't sound like it.
Cool. The voice doesn't count. Have like a high pitched voice.
Yeah, that's definitely like 30 years old. Yeah, that's like 30 years old.
I am older.
Yeah, definitely 30 years old.
I am older than you.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
You need to quit.
No, because I am older and you need to respect your elders. I need to respect your elders.
I am 4 years older than you, Dally.
No, you are not.
Shut up. Yes, I am.
No.
Okay, I'm not arguing with an idiot. Shut up. He has come for you.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Cool. Get this off my screen. Get it off my screen.
Rambo.
Rambo.
I'm gonna beat your ass when we get home.
My goal is to survive. Alright, let me turn it up. That's my closet. Bathroom. It says someone's knocking at the door. Nope, I've never played it. It is new to me. I threw my phone. Good evening, my child. I sense a dark presence in your home. Do you feel it too? Yes, I feel it. Fear not. Recite Psalm 91:10 and keep your faith strong. The Lord's protection will guide you through these dark times. Thank you, Father. May the Lord be with you.
Oh, I've seen people play this game on YouTube. You have to,
No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. I
Okay.
want to do it myself.
Okay.
It says clean the mirrors. Clean.
I can't wait to see you.
That's blood. I cleaned the mirrors. It's time to go feed the cat.
Let's feed the evil cat. The evil cat down. Yeah.
Yeah, he's purring.
Get.
What is that sound? Okay.
No, go in front of the door. Here, hold. Whatever. I like to.
I can't leave.
Feed the cat.
How? Where's the cat's food bowl? Can you quit, bro? Where is the cat's food bowl?
It's in the kitchen. Allie, I opened it.
There we go. Okay, bro. Quit opening the doors. That's a garage. Where's this cat's food bowl?
Upstairs. No, right there. I think I saw it. Go back. In there. No, it's a plant. Bring it. Go upstairs. Your cat's
No. I ate it. Shut up, I'm eating. I'm still holding the cat food.
Dang. Go find.
Okay, it won't jump scare me this time. Told you. Why is there an old man at my door? Food, please, give me something to eat. I've seen you in the streets before. I'll give you some food. Thank you, I'm so hungry. Thank you, kind one. I will never forget what you did for me. Oh my god, I cummed. Wait, no. Can you back off? You're black. Where's the trash can? Where's the trash can?
Are you serious?
Where's the trash can?
Make popcorn.
Oh, make popcorn. There. Give me popcorn, monkey.
Hey, go! Get! Go! Get some popcorn. Hey, it says fix the radio.
Yeah, but I'm making popcorn.
It's already cleaned out.
Oh, I didn't know I had to make multiple. Fix the radio? Where's the radio?
It's probably in the living room.
Nothing scary has happened.
Except for the jump scares at the door. Bro.
Where's the radio?
Maybe in your room. Go upstairs.
No, wait. Sounds like it. No. It's not in here.
Girl, this blanket is...
Hi, 3. The boiled one. Oh my god. Someone's knocking at the door again. What does you want? He's here again. Good evening again, my child. Have you noticed any changes since our last meeting? Can you get off of me? Sometimes the evil hides, waiting for the right moment. Stay vigilant and do not let your guard down. What should I watch out for? Fix the clocks.
Living room.
Oh, it's done.
I don't even know how to play this game. Even though
I don't. I'm doing what it tells me.
you didn't fall.
No, I didn't. Take a bath.
No?
Why does bro want me to take a bath?
No, Mom said.
That was not a bath. Oh. What an unusual sound.
I got you.
Doritos!
Yeah.
Someone's knocking on my door. Who is it? I have to feed the cat. No. Don't wager me! Oh, it's a baby. I want to feed my cat, but I can't find the cat bowl. Go, Jamison, now. Where is the cat bowl, monkey? I hear the cat in here. No cat. It's almost 6 a.m. I still can't feed the giggity cat.
What?
In here? No.
You're almost out of time.
Not 4.
BioBoost from BW Fusion is a new planter box treatment
Go
that is
Greedos!
redefining what's possible.
It helped buffer like some of those things that we can't.
Uh-huh.
Hey! You're playing a game? No, you can get up on my bed again. You're playing a game?
No, I'll play the guitar first. How's it still playing?
Hey. Hey.
Hey, 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 I busted everywhere.
What?
All over the couch.
I love making popcorn. What's the last one? Put in the mirror.
Crap corn. Don't scare me.
BioBoost from BW Fusion is a new planter box treatment that is redefining what's possible.
I love Doritos. Someone's knocking again.
People love being at your door. Jump scare. Officer. Where you at?
Good evening. We've had some reports of strange activity in the area. Everything all right here?
Yes, officer. It's a bit on edge.
Yep. Understandable. I'll ask a few questions. Have you seen anything strange around?
Nope.
Did someone enter your home recently?
Mm-mm.
I didn't see anything red and scary. That matches what your neighbor said. Well, it seems like everything is something happening, and we have suspect someone is invading homes and rendering your neighbors to vegetative state. You see anything strange, run. We'll be doing our best investigation in the system. Shut for lickety. Close the windows. Leave me alone.
Bro, what was that on the TV? Hey. Wait, it's a news. Listen.
No.
Feed the cat, Kevin.
No. I don't feel like closing the windows. What if I just leave them open? That's my kitty.
Cat.
He wants to touch me.
How are all the windows not shut yet? That one? was just there.
I saw that.
You want soda? Get out here. How many chips do y'all get, huh?
What?
How many chips do y'all get?
I have one.
Everybody got one. Okay, we go ahead and pause.
Alright, I'm back. And now we're in the kitchen. I gotta close all the windows.
You ran out of time.
Leave me alone! I'm just gonna hide in the corner. There's only one more window to shut. Okay. I hid in the corner. 9-6. Oh my god. It's gonna murder me. Please don't hurt me.
It's gonna be inside because you missed a window.
I'm scared. I'm gonna fix the clock. You know what a clock without an L is?
A lock.
I was an idiot.
Oh, it's a clock.
Time to make popcorn.
Root beer. Delicious. Oh, we love beer. That's mud.
We making popcorn and I still don't know how to fix the radio. Popcorn. I'm gonna look down because I don't want him to hurt me. If he sees me, that's too bad. How do I fix the radio? How do I fix the radio?
I wish I told you where everything was.
I know. It don't tell me where the radio is. Where's the radio? It has to be in my room somewhere. That's a TV remote.
Turn on the TV.
I can't turn on the TV. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ooh, soda.
Bruh, that's mine.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the only one with this cup.
No, you ain't. What is that? The Buffalo Bill? Robin? Red Robin.
This is a Cardinals cup.
Name that's Cardinals.
Anyways, he's near. I can sense him. Leave me alone.
Look, you can crouch and run. Oh, no, that's jump.
Leave me alone. I can sense him. Get away. I'm gonna stay in the corner.
Teleport on the bushes.
Oh, what the? Night 7. Why is there so many nights? Just kill me already.
Probably gonna die on that cat.
It's my cat.
Your cat.
No.
Wait, what?
All I did was pet my cat. Okay, it's night 8 now. I didn't even have to do anything.
Except for pet your cat.
Oh, he's gone now. It's gonna be the boiled one. Get away!
Santa, where are you?
Santa! Can I have a PS5? Oh yeah, I already have one. Well, it's not mine, but
James and notes. Look.
Ho! 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 Merry Christmas, friend! Thought I'd stop by and spread a little joy. Christmas spirit never dies, does it?
No. Yes, it does.
Who are you? Just old Snake Nick. I said that wrong. Bringing cheer where it's needed. You look like you could use a little cheer yourself. You're not Santa. Some guy? You wound me. You think I don't look the part? Go on, look closer. Are you okay? You don't sound right.
glasses.
Pause his grin fading slightly. Do I look okay to you? This suit gets heavy, but someone has to wear it. Close. Ho, ho, ho! Where's the cat? Oh, the cat's in here today. Ow! Meow!
Next night.
Close the windows again?
Wait, you feed the cat.
I figured out how to do it. Monkey.
Look, this is coming how we get like in game.
Fixing the clock.
What if they call mom? Mommy, why you know?
Now I have to close the windows.
Okay. You close windows. Say come in your house, kill you. Okay. Here. Here you go, tell me in your house. I like here.
My game is very glitchy. Get away! Leave me alone.
We might.
He was outside my window. Stay out my house, monkey.
Well, foot monkey.
I closed all the windows. What do you mean?
Hey, don't touch this.
It says I didn't close all the windows. I'm pretty sure I did. I just went all the way through the house and closed all the windows, and then it didn't say I was done. Why do you sound like that? I don't like that sound! I don't like that sound!
I didn't hear it.
You went... Night! Leave me alone!
I said I'm gonna get you to quit.
Shut up, monkey! Someone's at the door again.
Santa Claus!
Is Santa Claus back? Leave me alone! It's a woman. Hey, pretty man. Got some sugar for this cutie? Sure, come in. You're so sweet. I've been watching you, you know. You always seem alone. Why are you watching me? Because I care. I can protect you. Why did she leave? I said come in. Me. I have to go take a bath. Can you guys quit it? Oh, the mirror again. Get off! Get off of me! No!
Ayana!
Can you quit? I'm trying to take a bath.
Yeah. He doesn't look like you. Yeah, that back up. So he isn't in the bath. He doesn't have his clothes off. Whoa.
Why do you want to see me with my clothes off, bro?
I do. That's why. Because I want to take your hands.
Now I'm gonna hide in the bathroom because I don't know how to fix the radio. I'm just gonna hide here, guys. I'm gay. Oh no, I'm straight, bro. Why does your breath smell like that?
Like what?
It smells like something I had before, but I don't know what it's called.
Oh.
Dorito.
That way I do that again.
Oh my God, the Guido!
No. What?
Monkey balls.
Mutty ball.
Wait, I'm about to poopy.
You poopy.
Shut up, Jameson. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
I'm hidden. He can't find me here. Blue?
He would find you. He come you out. He find you there. You would die.
Go, Jameson. I don't care what you say. Go. Wee. I'm just hidden. He'll never find me here.
You in the tub?
No.
Where are you?
In the far corner of the bathroom. Night 10.
At 9:10.
Yeah. Kitty. Someone's knocking again. What do you want? Leave me alone. Good evening again. I couldn't stay away. This house, it intrigues me. What do you want? Only a chat, but this house, it hides things, doesn't it? What are you talking about? Secrets very deep. Shadows! It didn't even let me read it. Kitty.
What was it?
It finally tells me where the radio is.
Where?
It's in here.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
no. It's in here.
Bruh.
Finally.
Fix it. Excuse me.
Run now. Run now.
Chan. He said run right now. You got it right, because it's night 10. What? It's night 10.
Time to go clean the other room.
Fix clock is next.
And that's pretty easy. All I have to do is go downstairs into the living room.
It's 3 a.m. Every like 20 seconds or 30 is a night.
I think it's a minute for each hour.
Nope, you're on minute 11. Oh my god, I thought that was on my toes.
You were messing with my toes.
I thought I was smacking my toes and then
My toes. Who wants a foot reveal?
No! Foot fetish people, they do.
Yeah. Eat my balls.
Why do people reveal this?
Leave me alone.
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! Businessman.
That's the priest money.
Father.
Good evening, my child. I see you have been strong. How are you feeling?
Still scared.
Yeah, still scared. It is natural to feel fear.
How do I do
But
that?
do not let it control you. There is more to this. The darkness meets the eye. How do I do that? Focus on the light within you. The boiled one, as it is known, has been influencing.
Focus on the light. Go to the light and stare into its soul.
I'm gonna stare into.
What's his name? What is his name?
Yeah, what is my cat's name?
Name it. Jim Bob.
Mushi.
Mushi. I love it.
I have to close the windows again.
Why?
Because it told me to.
Stare into the light.
It's telling me to close the windows. I have to close the windows. You're scary.
He's gonna find you if you don't stare into the light.
Close. Close. I have to go fix the clock real quick and then I'll close the rest of the windows.
Rambo! You fed the cat?
Yep.
With what?
I don't know, it just, all I have to do is click on it. Monkey!
Thought you saw something?
No, he was there. He was behind me.
No, he was. I didn't.
Yes, he was. Yes, he was. Play that back in slow motion. Future me editing this video, play that back in slow motion, okay? He is there. Now I'm gonna hide in the corner, and it's all your fault.
Close the windows. Like
No!
Scaredy cats don't like scaredy cats.
I'm gonna murder you.
Scaredy cats don't like scaredy cats.
It makes no
Scaredy
sense.
cats don't like phones. Phones don't like scary cats.
Whoa! You just said the N-word. Gabe, you can't do that. I'm recording.
Turn around.
No, he's gonna be behind me.
No, he isn't.
Yes, he will. Stop! Don't touch my
BioBoost
phone.
from BW Fusion is a new planter box treatment that is redefining what's possible.
I saw him behind me, Dally.
What? I missed
Yeah,
it!
Yeah, he was behind me. I was like, can you quit? I'm gonna go fix the radio.
The radio. Fix that radio. Boy, come everywhere.
I'm gonna kill you.
Wait a minute! Definitely.
Run now!
Run now!
I don't want to run.
What day are you on? 12? Clean the mirrors. Night 12. Wanna watch? Close the windows. Do you have a mint? I do.
I had one.
I do.
I'm gonna close these windows.
Look what Dally did with her blood on her pants.
I don't want men in my room.
Look, no, Tate, I was bleeding last night, and this is what I made.
I don't want men in my room.
I want men in you. Clean the mirrors.
And now I hide in the corner because I don't want to go to the windows because he's always there. It's 4 a.m. now. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I heard a noise behind me, but I don't want to look behind me because I'm too scared. No, monkey!
Oh, I heard a door open.
Quit on it. Don't touch my phone.
Oh my daddy! Oh no!
He's gonna murder me.
Turn around.
No!
Turn
He's gonna murder me!
If you turn around, he won't. Yes, he will. No. He's gonna turn around. He's gonna be standing in the door frame, probably. He's gonna be like, yeah, literally.
Come on!
Yes! What time is it? It's 2:41. Yeah.
Someone's at the door
You
again.
playing again?
Yeah, it's 9:13.
Did you play the video?
Whoa.
Are you playing?
What are you doing here?
Is it played?
Yes.
Oh, it heard me scream. It's 2:41. Here.
That's one of the models from Nightclub Simulator, monkey. Hello, I'm Lucas, your neighbor from
Batman.
2 streets down.
Batman.
I've had a strange dream about you. We need to talk. Okay. It doesn't matter if you believe it or not. I've seen you slowly falling down into a dark pit. In the end, you could do nothing but wait for your end.
Go away.
But in the end, there was light. There was a way to escape
I don't care.
your doom.
Leave.
How? Why didn't he tell me how?
Frick you!
Yeah, frick you, monkey.
I love the doors opening.
I'm closing this window. I don't want monkeys in my house. No, I don't.
That's my foot right here.
That's not your foot.
Yeah, it is.
Leave me alone.
It's a slipper.
Attention, all residents, there have been sightings.
What?
Listeners, beware. Reports indicate an increase in auditor hallucinations. Move, move, move!
Wait.
Run now.
No.
Run now.
No.
I'm hiding in the corner.
It's 43.
No one cares.
No, it's 2. No, it's 2:43 p.m. p.m. Oh yeah, 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 oh High five! Callie, no.
No.
I heard a noise.
No.
Look at my mint. Stop it. Whoa. Are you recording?
Yes.
Anna.
Can you guys get off of me?
I'm not on.
I know. Oh, it's 9:14.
Dun, dun, dun.
Monkeys!
And that's racist.
Not if I'm joking.
It's 9:14. I'm surprised you're not
Why
done.
does your hair
What the
smell weird?
Why did you open my windows?
So
Oh
once
my
you come in
god,
your
you
house
sealed
and
it?
act like me.
Stay out of my bathroom.
Did it.
There's shit on the window.
There's monkeys in my butt.
No, that was a monkey who just fell off
Look at the window.
in
Look at the
sink.
window. Look at the window.
Is he here? No. He's gonna be in my house though. Nope.
James scared to turn around every time he turns around.
Do you know why?
He's gonna be
He
there.
was there once.
Yeah,
What did he look like?
just a black figure. Why did it make that sound?
Did somebody toot?
Someone farted. Why are you farting?
Don't.
That means he's close because you heard his fart.
What if I'm a little scared? Hey, you should play.
Okay.
You should play. You should play.
What do I do? Close the windows?
Yeah, follow the little arrows
There's one upstairs.
to go closing the windows and
There's one
stuff.
upstairs.
My sister's playing, guys. My sister's playing.
Can I play next?
No,
This door?
in here, in there. Close the window.
How do I
That's
do
the last one. You look up at the window. Look up at the window and press it. Now go find the cat and feed it.
Okay, the cat's either now
Yeah, it's in there sometimes. Is it there?
No.
Alright. If it's not in there,
Wait, take a bath.
yeah, go take a bath. Now
you
click it
didn't
once it's
make it
done
yet.
filling up, and then you'll take a bath.
I don't know.
Now you do. You're taking a bath right now.
Nice.
Go find the cat.
I think there's somebody sleeping in my bed. I don't want to turn around. Sir?
There's a monkey in your mom.
Sir? Sir?
You said you think there's someone sleeping in your bed?
Yeah, I heard someone.
No, that was the cat purring.
Where
Yeah.
are you, cat?
Yeah, where is the cat?
Where's his
Cat
name?
the cat.
Oh,
Next night.
it ate the cat!
That means you could never finish it.
You want me to play? It kind of sounds like Granny when
I
it.
want to play.
How many nights are there? You can play an
Ganya.
entire night, Dally.
Someone's at the door.
Okay, go check the door. I wonder who it is this time.
Next night.
No.
Why?
Because you're gay, and I don't like your sticky fingers touching my phone.
It's woman again.
I think
Hey there, handsome. Miss me? I brought some cookies this time.
Thanks, I guess.
I made them just for you. I was thinking about you all night. Did you think about me?
That's a bit much.
Don't say that. We're meant to be.
Go make popcorn.
Okay. We love
Just one.
Dolly, listen.
There's one in the microwave. Just close the microwave. And then press the buttons. Popcorn. Go close the windows. That's my least favorite thing to do. I hate closing the windows. And then you gotta go play them too. Is there a monkey outside? Tell me if there's a monkey outside whenever you go to the windows. Monkey.
That don't look right.
Isn't that like a...
That's Mona Lisa, isn't it?
Are you an idiot?
Yeah. Big one.
Bro's a big one.
Are there any windows down here?
No, I don't think there's any more. Something fell over. It's the boiled one in my house.
I check. Chitten's ugly.
Wait, is the thing right there?
The
Oh, I missed
boiled one's in my
Is he
house.
over there?
Ugly too.
Nope.
My eyes were just closed.
Why? There's a monkey!
What the fudge?
It made a loud... Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Get out of my house!
That's